Let's have a look at simplifying this index expression. A little bit of a harder one. So we've got 2 to the n plus 2 take away 8 all over 2 to the n take 1 take 1. So simplifying this, what we might consider first of all is looking at our 2 to the n plus 2 here and using index law number 1 to express that as 2 to the n times 2 squared take away 8 over 2 to the n take 1 take 1. You can see here that we've got the same base we're multiplying, so first index law we could write this part of the expression, or this term if you like, as 2 to the n plus 2. Now the problem with this is that we still can't really simplify anything at this point. Reason being is we've got the subtraction on the top and the subtraction on the denominator as well, and it doesn't appear like we can simplify anything. But what we do notice is that we've got to the stage where we've got 2 to the n here, and on the denominator we've got 2 to the n take 1, so it's not quite the same. So perhaps rather than taking out or changing this to 2 to the n times 2 squared, we could instead make it 2 to the n take 1 on the numerator, and that would be times 2 cubed take 8. So having a look at this expression here, same base, we're multiplying, so we add those indices, n take 1 plus 3 would be n plus 2. Now the reason I've done that is that we've now got 2 to the n take 1 on the numerator and 2 to the n take 1 on the denominator. So we're getting closer to being able to simplify or cancel down. And by the way, we could have just gone straight from here to here and skipped this step altogether. Next thing we can do is look for, in our numerator, we identify that 2 cubed is equal to 8, and with the two terms, 2 to the n take 1 times 2 cubed, first term, and negative 8, the second term, we've got a highest common factor of 8 that we can take out. So I'll take that 8 out as my highest common factor, leaving 2 to the n take 1, take away 1. Denominator remains the same, 2 to the n take 1, take 1. And maybe just checking our factorisation from here to here by expanding back out. We've got 8 times 2 to the n take 1. That is the same as 2 cubed times 2 to the n take 1. And 8 times negative 1 gives us the negative 8. From here we can see on the numerator we've got two factors, the 8, and in the brackets here the 2 to the n take 1, which means we can cancel out this whole factor or bracket with our denominator. Cancels out and we're left with an answer of 8.